Hi everyone, I am back to announce the winners for our weekly giveaway game that asked me a question. So I have written down all of your names, everyone that's took part. Charlie is here to help me at the mat. Whoa, he just fell off. Like there's not enough space here for you. Come on, sit down. Oh my gosh, right. This is important to everyone, so you know what it is. I took up his space. Go on then, go over there. That's it. Right, so I have written down everyone's names, and however many times you entered over the last 4 days, you have got an entry for each question that you've asked, and I've given you all a number from 1 through to 27. And if so, like for instance, Mrs. Stationery and stuff has 4, so there's 4 number 1s in there, and so on. So let me do the prizes first. So I've put these in piles. Now all of they're almost the same apart from the dies. Yes, you've got different stamps, but you get the idea. You've got a lot of the same things. The only thing that really is different are the dies. So the first prize, let me just show you. What did you knock on the floor? What you've got in here. So you have, this is for this die here, which is actually really lovely, and it's got a little ray of sunshine. There's no place like home. Make a wish. It's time to celebrate, and it is brand new. It's never been used. And you have all the other goodies. So there's ledger paper, there's old book pages, there's old ephemera, old postcard, vintage stamps, some embellishments, some rusty old things for your project. So this is prize number 1. So let's give these a good mix up. Let me get an envelope ready to put these in so that I can see who these are for. Let's give these a mix up. Right, so the first one goes to number 19. So number 19 is Susie Al-Masri. So you have won prize number 1, Susie. So let me just oh my gosh, where's my pen gone? I'm going to put your name on this envelope here. So Susie Al-Masri. Now I do have your address on file, Susie, so I shall be popping these in the post to you in the next couple of days. So that's prize number 1 done. Right, prize number 2. Oh my gosh, I have too many bits and pieces. So this is prize number 2, and like I said, the only thing different are the die. So it's for this die set here. This one has actually been used once, and it's got a magnetic shim as well for you to store, and then you've got all your other goodies in here. So this is prize number 2. Give these a good mix. And we have number 1. So number 1 is Mrs. Stationery and stuff. So honey, I think I've got your address, but if not, can you send me it just in case? I'm sure I do have your address on file, so if not, just please send me. I'll double check after this video anyway. So let me find an envelope. Oh my gosh. So this is Mrs. Stationery. Whoops, my writing is terrible and stuff. And I'm going to pop these things in here, and I'll put them all in a jiffy bag later. That's prize number 2. And then we have prize number 3, which is for this die set here. It's got all the bits and pieces there, and then the rest is pretty similar. So this is prize number 3. Oh, we have one here. This is for number 5. And number 5 is Jane Foreman. So honey, if you could send me your name and address. I'm sure I have it on file, but just in case. So let me just put this, oh my gosh, in the envelope for Jane. Right, that's 3 down, 2 to go. Oops. Right, so number, this is number 4, isn't it? Oh, let me just show you what this one is for. Charles is laying all over it. Oh my gosh, Charles. Where's the other bits gone? Oh my gosh, look what he's done. He's put them all over here. Right, so this is for this prize here, and it's the number die set, and then the rest is pretty much the same. So this is for prize number 4. Right, oops. Oh, we've got 2. We had 2 there. Right, so this is number 17, and this is for One Peaceful Mind, Alicia. I don't have your details on file, darling, so if you could please email me at craftfairyfreebies@gmail.com, and I will post these things off to you. Oops, let's pop this. So this is, oh, didn't write Jane on there, did I? Yes, I did. No, I didn't. Right, don't worry, I've got it on camera. So this is, I'll just put Alicia on this one here. The last one was Jane Foreman, wasn't it? It's all right. I didn't write it on the envelope. I'm going to do it now quickly before I forget. Quickly. Jane Foreman, and the last prize is for the tattered lace dies. So you've got the cute little duck and the spade, bucket and spade, and the little speech bubble. So there are the dies, and this is the last prize. So good luck, everybody. Oh, we've lost one. Pop that back in. Oh, right. This is number 2. And number 2 is the Scottish Crafter. So well done, my lovely. Well done to everyone that took part in the giveaway. Let me just move those out of the way. And we're going to put the Scottish Crafter. If you could send me your address, my lovely, and I will pop these in the post to you. So well done, everyone. Thanks for playing. I will be doing another giveaway before I go away for the wedding, and I have a really gorgeous giveaway coming up for you. So keep watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much to everyone that's took part. It's been a lot of fun as usual, and better luck next time to those of you that didn't win. But I shall see you all very soon. Oh, that's my tummy grumbling. Take care for now. Love you all. Bye bye.